To upgrade your weapons in Monster Hunter Wilds, first you will need to finish the tutorial so that you're in this city or camp, and after that you should be able to talk with the Gemma blacksmith, and we can, as I said, talk with her, then go for I would like to manage my equipment, and there's option to forge or upgrade your weapons. You need to pick a specific weapon type that you want to upgrade. In this case, I'm gonna go with switch axe, and then you will see a tree with all of the weapon upgrades, and you will unlock them when you'll be actually focusing on the story. And as you can see right here, I can upgrade, or cannot upgrade, but I can see the upgrade for my axe. It's Hope Axe 2, and you can see the upgrade materials that you're gonna need in the middle, and also the cost in the currency in the game. So when you have that fulfilled, then you can normally upgrade your weapons, and that is basically everything.